Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2022 Toyota Corolla Apex Edition with some great exterior features that include a rear spoiler, along with side skirts and 18-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, we've got gray cloth interior. This Corolla also comes equipped with a power moonroof, all-weather floor mats, and power windows. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right you've got Toyota Safety Sense and your cruise. Taking a look in the middle at your touchscreen, you have your AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection, some vehicle information along with your backup camera. Right below that you've got your climate controls. Down at the bottom here, we have our heated seat switches, along with your wireless phone charger and your sport mode. Taking a look at the back seats, we've got more gray cloth interior, along with two fold-down cup holders and a storage spot in the back of the center console. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2022 Toyota Corolla Apex Edition with some great interior features that include heated seats, all-weather floor mats, and a power moonroof. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.